Hi, welcome. This is Martina, the sound magician, and this is a sound gift for you. It is a chakra scan with the gong playing in the background to support the process. So it's actually a gong bath with meditation. And as you might know, chakras get easily clogged. So repeat this as often as you need. There's some guidelines or some tips. So breathe when you feel like tension or stickiness or heaviness or there's something that does not want to move. Use your breath. Use your breath to help move what wants to move. And smiling always makes things a little easier. Okay? Now, if you're anything like me, you might want to apply an essential oil or grab a crystal to help you with the process. And I usually grab what I gravitate towards at the moment, so I don't have anything in specific. You might hear me talk a lot about seeing, but just use all your senses. So feel, sense, hear, know. Whatever sense gets engaged, just use that and replace it if you hear me saying see a lot, okay? And as we do this, I invite you to meditate or go for a walk or lay down or dance or do dishes. Just don't do anything that engages your mind. The intention is to clear the chakras. And what I mean by that is just to clear out the gong and bring in a lot of light so they can work properly, okay? Now, just so you know, we will not go in order. I'm going to start in the center, and then so it can radiate up and down, and then we're just going to work on balancing the chakras one at a time, alternating top and bottom. And if you want and can, let's just start. So close your eyes. If you want to, or not. And then say a prayer of thank you, whatever that is for you. So mine could be something like this. Thank you for who you're letting me become. Thank you for all the gifts and opportunities I receive and I'm presented with. Thank you for helping me become more of who I am. So whatever that is for you, whatever your prayer is for you. And then you might want to add, may this session be in the highest and best for all. May it ripple out to whoever needs support and healing in the world. And help me release what is not serving me. And may I be filled up with whatever is needed for me to grow and expand. Thank you. Then take a moment to ground. So drop a cord either from your root chakra or maybe from your heart. And let it go down, down, down to the center of the earth. And then after you've done that, just drop another cord. And this cord, or tube, I'm going to call it, serves to release whatever is not needed anymore, whatever doesn't serve you. So if there's anything right now that you know can go down that tube, just drop it in there, let it go down easily. The earth will transmute it. And then just imagine, I don't know if it's a cord or a connection that goes two ways. It's a give and receive connection. And that connection, I invite you to know that whatever you need is always just a thought or an ask away. So you can ask for anything you need from Mother Earth and she will provide. But it's also a way to send blessings down to Mother Earth, to thank her for all that she's provided for you so far. So send some blessings down. Thank her for supporting you, for holding you up, for grounding you, for receiving all that does not serve you anymore. Bless her with your love. And now I invite you to call in your healing angels or angel. And then call in any and all beings of 100% pure light you want to assist you in this clearing. So that might be ascended masters like Mary, Jesus, or Mary Magdalene, or Melchizedek, or maybe it's the archangels, Raphael, Michael, Gabriel, or maybe it's the galactic healers like the Hathors. And I'd say invite whoever wants to come to support you. And then take a deep breath and scan your mind. And let go of what does not serve you right now. Either through that tube that we just put in the earth, or you can put your thoughts when they come and go. They always come and go. You can just put them on an imaginary shelf, knowing that you can pick them up later if you need them. And then scan your body and see if there's anything distracting you. And if there's any adjustments you can do right now, then do that. And if there's not anything that you can adjust, then just ask for it to be set aside for the next 20 minutes or so. Then take a deep breath and focus on your heart. Your heart is usually depicted as green. It might be that color for you or not. And your heart says, I love. When the heart is in balance, you feel compassion, kindness, unconditional love, forgiveness, empathy, and sympathy. If it is out of balance, you might experience a lot of grief, loneliness, jealousy, possessiveness, lack of compassion and love. You might become demanding or withdrawn. So as you look at your heart, or as you focus on your heart, feel and sense, maybe hear how it is. What does it look like? Is there a smell or a sensation to it? Is your heart saying anything? And look and see, is there anything that your heart wants to let go? Or is there anything that your heart needs right now? be clear and to be able to spin properly. Chakras spin. You might feel discomfort. Use your breath to digest. Use your breath to move through whatever comes up. Remember, you have all the support you need. You just need to call on it. You can call in for support to help you clear out your heart and let it shine brightly. Sometimes just bringing attention to an area helps to loosen up whatever does not serve. That's part of what we're doing here. Let's see if there's any color that you want to bring in. Maybe there's a smell that you want to bring in. And breathe deeply. And know that whatever clearing you got so far is perfect. It will continue clearing. And you can always come back and re-listen to this. And now I'd like you to bring your focus below your feet. That's in the ground below your feet. There's chakras there. And then check in. What do they look like, feel like? Maybe is there a sound to it? Just become aware of that chakra. And again, if it feels uncomfortable or stuck or sticky or heavy, use your breath. And check in and see if there's anything that chakra needs to let go of. Or anything that chakra needs to have added. And remember, call in for support. They're all here waiting for you to call them. To clear out the chakra and have it spin properly and shine brightly as much as it can right now. And then bring your focus to your chakra above your crown, above your body, above your crown. And again, become present to it. Feel, see, sense, hear. What is it like? Is there anything in that chakra that needs to be let go of? Or anything that needs to be added? Call in for support if you need it. To just clear out that chakra as much as it's possible right now and let it shine brightly. And now take another deep breath and bring your attention to your first chakra, also called root chakra. Usually the color is red. This chakra says, I am. And if the chakra is in balance. You feel grounded and safe and secure and balanced. It's connected to your family and community identity. And if it is out of balance, this chakra can hold fear, stress, betrayal, unresolved karma. So take a breath and become present to it. What are you aware of? Is there a smell? Maybe a color? Or a sound? What is the chakra saying? Does it feel heavy or murky? Or light and clear? Is there anything that this chakra needs to let go of? Or anything that you need to let go of from this chakra? It might be something that is conscious or unconscious. Just have the intention that whatever needs to let go of and can be let go of right now is released. And anything that this chakra needs is added. Ask all the beings of 100% pure light to come in and support you in that. Remember to smile, remember to breathe. Ask them to make it easy. Have the intention for it to be easy. And then take another breath and focus on your crown. It's usually white or crystal color. This chakra says, I know. It's connection to your higher self, to divinity, it's a seed of wisdom. It's where you feel spiritually connected and empathy. If it is out of balance, you might experience attachment, overthinking, confusion. So take a moment to get real present to it. And notice, what are you aware of? Again, is there a smell? Is there a sound? What do you see? How does it feel? Ask that anything that does not serve you in this chakra to be released. And anything that is needed for it to work properly and shine brightly and be cleared out, be added. Ask the beings around you to support you with that. A deep breath. And now we cleared the top 2 and bottom 2 chakras and the heart. So these are all going to radiate out and hopefully making the rest of the clearing a little easier. We have 4 more chakras to go. So focus on the second chakra, the sacral chakra. It's usually orange. And this chakra says, I feel. If this chakra is in balance, we experience healthy boundaries and emotional intelligence, personal prosperity, power, creativity. If it is out of balance, we feel guilt, self-negativity, fear. We feel overly sensitive. And it is often one of the most clogged ones. So just become aware of it. Feel, hear, sense, know. What is it like? What's the color? What's the smell? What's the weight? Again, if it's challenging, just use your breath and call in for support. And look and see, is there anything that lives in that chakra that you can let go? And maybe it's conscious or unconscious. Just ask that whatever is ready to be let go, be let go. Or anything that needs to be added, be added. And know that just by putting attention on it, it will clear itself out. It will start to clear itself out. And now focus on the third eye. It's usually color purple. This chakra says, I see. It's the seat of intuition and intellect. And if it is out of balance, we live in an illusion. We feel lost and adrift and disconnected from ourselves, from the self. So become present to it. Check in. Is it heavy or light? Is it murky or clear? What does it need to spin properly and shine brightly? Does it need anything, or does it need to let go of something? Know that support is right there. All you have to do is ask for assistance. And then take a deep breath and trust that whatever needed to be cleared out right now has been cleared out, that the process will continue, and that we will know when to come back to redo this process. And now focus on your solar plexus. Usually it is yellow. Solar plexus says, I do. It is the seat of self-esteem and boundaries, power, emotional intelligence, centeredness. And if it is out of balance, you might experience shame, extreme anxiety, loss of control. And childhood trauma also lives in this chakra. And again, come present to it. What is it like? Just breathe if it feels uncomfortable. Let go of whatever needs to be let go of in this chakra. You don't have to know exactly what it is. Just ask for support to take away whatever is not serving you. And then see if there's anything that needs to be added. Is there a color? Is there a smell? Is there an image? Is there a word? You can do all of that with the power of your intention. So breathe and allow it to clear and to shine brightly. And last but not least, it's the throat chakra, usually blue. The throat chakra says, I speak. This is often very clogged as well. It's all about speaking your truth and surrendering to divine guidance. And if it is out of balance, you might experience lies and fear and doubt and uncertainty, shyness maybe, trouble communicating, definitely. And trouble being understood or not feeling heard. So come present to your throat. What is it like? What does it look like? What does it sound like? What does it feel like? If it feels challenging, remember to call in the support. All the beings are here, just waiting for you to call them. And look and see if there's anything specific that you need to let go of that lives in your throat. Or maybe something needs to be added so you're freer to speak your truth. And focus on it, and as you focus on it, because we set the intention, it will clear out and it will start shining more brightly. Now from your throat, we went through all the chakras from the throat. Imagine going down your arms and just checking in on all the chakras in your arms and having them clear out. And now, before we finish this session, let's do a quick walkthrough. So start at the bottom of your feet, like the chakra in the ground, below your feet. Just do one last check. Is there anything else that needs to be added or released? And move up your legs, all the leg chakras, to your root. Check in with your root, your sacral chakra, your solar plexus, your beautiful heart, your throat, down your arms, all the chakras in your arms and your hands, your third eye, your crown, and the chakra above your crown. Do one last walkthrough. So again, set the intention if there's anything else to be released. Envision Envision them spinning, bright and clear, above the crown chakra, crystal or white, third eye purple, throat, usually blue, down your arms, through your hands, your heart, green, your solar plexus, usually yellow, your sacral chakra, orange, your root chakra, usually red. Just know I'm saying those colors, it might be something different for you. Down your legs, all the chakras in your legs and in your feet, and the chakra below your feet. So take a deep breath and thank whoever assisted you. Ask them to take a step back. Send them back to the light. And make sure you disconnect with them, whether it's cutting the cords, unplugging, whatever works for you. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this. And if you're interested in learning more, you can email me at info@treasurethepresent.com. Info@treasure, like a treasure chest, the present, like the present moment.com. Or check out linktree/Martina Caviezel. That is linktr.ee/Martina Caviezel. MartinaCaviezel. Have a wonderful day.